First, install all the components of the product. Just drag and drop it all. You will see that there are new actions and layer styles. Download and install some fonts from the list of the second page of this guide. Just click and download. Install the font as usual. Open one of wall backgrounds from Walls folder. Create a text composition and apply a layer style. Also, you can use action to create a neon look from any graphics. Create a new layer and move it below the neon graphics layer. Use the brush tool of black color to draw a skeleton of a signboard. And then apply frame style to the layer.